Okay, this electric scooter, my son's Ace. I'll show you. This fender, it's very messy. This fender, I have already tried to fix this with a lot of things. This is the only thing that holding this. So there's bolts that has been like this at the end, but I need to repair these and attach these. Same here at the other side. This is it. So I'll take it off first. These and then these bolts. I don't know if I can get that light off. Let's see. Now we'll be testing this plastic welding gun. This plastic welding gun, H50. There's these staples, different sizes and so on. There's some manual, but this one, and I have cleaned almost this. I need to sand it a bit. There's some glue and everything that I have already tried, but haven't kept this intact. So I'll just sand these and we'll try. I would have to make a new attachment for these. There. Okay, let's try this hack that I saw on TikTok. Glue and some food soda will make this a new. Let's fill that up and try to make a new attachment. Let's see if this sticks here. Let's put some glue here. And then the soda. Oh fuck, a lot of glue. It's already hardened. Not many seconds. Now we do the same thing to the other side. This is so bad. There's so big gaps and everything that I don't know if the welding works with this, but we can try. Let's put this staple here, like so, and we try to make it stick to this. It's heating up, it's red. Now we just push this here. Release, and there. Huge gap here. Now we should get it there. Let go. there. Like so. Then we'll put just more of these.
Alpaako sähkö?
Porcupine. We could melt some plastic here. Also, we can try that. If I have some plastic somewhere. Okay, let's see. The only thing I have is these. Let's see if we can fill. That's good. Now we'll just have to cut all of those. I don't think that this will hold any more than a new one. Nothing lasts with these kits. Okay, now we need to make holes for these. Oh shit, we need to make these a lot longer. About 1 centimeter more. Because I think this bended a bit. Okay, so I just put some paint over there, and now we drill the holes and hope that it's okay now. This feels very soft. It's a bit higher than before, but I don't know if it matters because I think it will break from here at least. I don't know if this looks pretty good and solid. So I think this is a good little thing to have if you have plastic welding stuff to do. So good to have one for backup if I need it. We'll see you at the next video.